everyone, welcome to my channel, Just Ria. If you don't know who I am Ria. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you have been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pupbox unboxing with none other than, look, stop, behave. Little Leah, say hey. Never speak. You ready to play? Y'all should have seen. I'm gonna insert a clip. It's like he knew the box was for him. So the first thing, this is my first Pupbox. The only reason why I got it was because they had a promotion going on Facebook. I will insert that image here. It was $5. Leo, come Leo. He's like, okay, calm down. Okay, that is like the Leo call. He is going crazy, y'all.
Can I give him it?
No, not right now. Also, I have my son here, Alex. You can barely see him, but he's here. He's going crazy. Wait a minute, Leo. We're going to get to that. So it says, this Pupbox was packed with love for Leo, whose birthday is 12/28/2022. Everything in your Pupbox is handpicked just for you. Thank you for being a Pupscriber, Leo. So it says April, stage 1 insert, geared up for great outdoors with a monthly insert, tips and tricks. They give you a 3-month guide, Zippy Paws, Pup, Alien Flex, Mini Meteor, Pupbox Treat Training Tote, and a Pupbox Pumpkin Spice Peanut Butter, and a Pupbox Full Moon Munchers Dog Treat. So that is the rundown of what is all in here. Stop. Y'all cut it out. Okay, so, so he has, this is the pumpkin spice peanut butter. Let's see how you give it to him. So it says this squeezable spreadable delight can be used as a quick snack, or you can add it to your pup's favorite treat dispensing toy. So it can go in his Kong. Let me see. Come here, Leo. Want to taste? Wait a minute. Ew, it came out like watery base. Try it. Oh, he likes it. Say that's yummy. It's yummy. It smells just like peanut butter too. It smells good. Where's the top? Oh, give me the top. Look. Yummy? Yeah, he likes that. But it comes in this is like a full-size bottle, 6-ounce bottle. It's roasted peanuts, honey, pumpkin, ginger, and cinnamon. So I think it's good. It's good for the immunity and digestive health. And there is no xylitol or hydrogenated oils. If I said that right, I hope I did. Wait a minute. Okay, here is the Alien Flex Mini Meteor. Customize the treat challenge by cutting pins. Okay, because it says a dispensing toy. And I guess I can put the peanut butter in there. He is looking for the peanut butter, y'all. If y'all can see him. Come here. Come here. You want it? He's like, no. Okay. Oh, he got some full moon munchies, treats. Come here, Leo. Want to taste this? Come here. Come. He's all in the bag, y'all. Okay, hold on. You like those? Yummy? Messy eater. They don't smell bad. It's filled with bacon and cheese, so he'll like that. That's what they look like. I know he wants more. Okay, and this is a training treat tote. So I guess as you're training, you can clip it onto your pants or wallet or wherever you want to clip it, and you have the treats in there. That's cute. It looks like a little backpack. He's trying to get to the package, and you can zip tie it like that. I mean, drawstring it. Okay, And then he got a Storybook Snugglers. He looks like an astronaut. So it looks like his theme was out of space. He's like, this is not a toy. Can I get on it? He wants the food. And then, stop for a second. So this is telling you what all you need to gear up for outdoor adventures. And the back is telling you to try a new trail. And then this is my puppy teething, like training and development for your 3-month-old puppy, which is awesome. So it's giving you a look of what's going to be going on at 3 months. Tips on training, how to praise them, how about household accidents, all types of things. So this was, I would say, $5 worthy. But I would not spend the regular price on it. Let me just see how much the regular price is. But because I know I looked at it one time and I was like, heck no. But let me see. So you have to pick a plan, and I didn't like that. So regularly, I think it's $39, or I think it's like $39, $35 or $39. And honestly, that ain't even worth it. Like, not to me. It's $5 worthy, yes, but for me, yeah, okay, so you get 12 months for $29 a box, 6 months for $32 a box, 3 months for $34 a box, and 1 month for $39 a month. So this ain't worth $39. I'm sorry. And what I learned was on my bank statement, it showed up as Petco Pupbox. So this is a Petco puppy subscription, but I guess you can't, you know, order it from Petco. You have to actually go to the Pupbox website. But yeah, that was his Pupbox unboxing. It'll probably be the only one he has. And thank you for tuning in, guys. I will see you in the next one. I have a lot of videos to upload in regards to Leo so far. I have to do his new food. I have to do the Pupbox, and then, oh, and I have to record. So these are recorded, and I have to do his, what is it? Oh, his puppy haul. So yeah, but he's 3 months now as of yesterday. No, 2 days ago. So, all right. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.